Hi everyone, please make sure that you listen carefully and watch the complete video. There's a lot of information regarding final exams and the remainder of the school year. One thing I wanted to note is for those of you that are taking Honors Algebra 2, that I have linked in the summer packet. If you open that up, there will be directions in there for you to complete those practice problems and check your answers. Okay. What I need you to do is, if you are unable to print that packet out so that you can have it completed and return next school year, let me know today if you want a copy of it placed in the bookstore for you. I will be going to school tomorrow morning and placing those in the bookstore with your name on them. So Canvas messaged me today. This is Tuesday, May 11th. So make sure that you get that message to me if you would like to have a copy placed in the bookstore. Okay. The next thing in the module is final exam information. So if you click on this in your module, we're here to make sure that we have everything. Honors Algebra 2 summer packet. If you want it printed off, let me know today. Final you will see is this information here. And so let's go through this together right now. The Honors Geometry Final is Friday, May 21st during the B4 time slot. Okay, so that is our assigned time slot for the final exam. The exam will be given in Canvas, and so it will open up at 2:15 and it will close at 3:45. So you will have 90 minutes to complete the exam. Please adjust your schedule to complete the final exam during the scheduled day and time. The exam consists of approximately 35 questions, and those questions will both be fill in the blank and as well as some that will be multiple choice. Now we'll have more information about the review for the final towards the end of the module. Exam information. Final exam is Friday, May 21st, 2:15 to 3:45 in Canvas. Approximately 35 questions, both fill in the blank and multiple choice. This week, as far as this week is concerned, you can see that today is Tuesday, so we have our summative assessment based on last week's material. And so that is due at 6 p.m. today. And then we have quite a few videos to go along with our notebook. And you can see the individual videos as well as the times for each listed there. Now, there will not be formative assessments this week because that are on the videos this week. Okay. The only thing that has a solid due date on it is right here, our summative assessment. This will be our last assignment, whether it is summative or formative, that goes on our semester grade, and it is due Tuesday at 6 p.m. New videos for the week right here. What you will be focusing on is the final exam reviews, because they will include problems from those videos that you will be watching and working along with. Okay, so you'll see that there is 3 different final exam reviews. Okay, and then you'll notice that underneath here there is a link that says need more explanation, complete by 9 a.m. on Tuesday, May 18th. So you will notice that these assignments here, do not have an upload option or a due date or anything like that. These assignments are merely to help you prepare for the final exam and learn the material. If you have some problems that you want some further explanation on, even though all of these assignments have the answer key included, what you need to do is fill out this Google form. It's pretty straightforward. It'll say semester exam final review 1, and then it lists the problems, and you check off the problems that you would like extra explanation on. Notice that I do want that done by Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the problems that were asked for further assistance with and just create one video explanation. Okay, so just and then these are our final exam reviews. They include work from concepts from this semester as well as some of the new concepts this week. If you need some further explanation, go ahead and fill that form out, and I will be compiling that information for you next Tuesday, hopefully getting you that information out later in the day on Tuesday, if not Wednesday morning, so that you have plenty of time to prepare for your exam. Like always, if you have any questions, please Canvas message me.